Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can actually edit the Excel chart that you added in directly to your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. If you didn't see my previous video, I showed you how you can actually add in an Excel chart to your PowerPoint presentation, either linking to that file or adding it as an object directly to your PowerPoint presentation. So I'll show you both ways how we can actually make changes to that file. So we're going to start with the linked file first. So this one right here, what you see, it's just a picture. It says shape up here, but it's just a picture. And it is a picture or a screenshot of the referenced Excel file that has my chart on it. If I want to make changes to it, I just have to either come over to the file itself on my computer, I can open it up, or I can use this picture as a shortcut. So I'm going to go ahead and double click it. And you can see I went ahead and opened up my Excel document where I can actually make changes to it. So let me go ahead and change this to new chart title. All right, save, and let me go ahead and close it. And you can see it went ahead and applied those changes for us on our slide right away. So we didn't have to really even wait for anything. Also, if I want to come over and I want to change the size here, let me actually make this a little bit bigger. Okay, looks good. And now it's saved. And there we go. So now it's a little bit bigger, so it doesn't look like it's missing having any dead space over here. So that looks nice. Let's actually go ahead and delete this, and then we're going to go ahead and add in the embedded version and see how that differs. So same process as before. Come over here to Object, Create from File, locate the file on your computer. And we're not going to click the link option this time. We're going to leave that off, and we'll hit OK. All right, and it looks the exact same as the linked version, but the difference is now we have to actually edit it on the slide. So if I double click this, it's going to give us this kind of funky inline editing that we can do directly on our slide, but it works the exact same way as you would see on Excel. So you see also it changed our ribbon up here. So if you look up here on our ribbon on PowerPoint, it no longer has the PowerPoint ribbon. Now it has the same ribbon that you're probably familiar with on Excel. So if I come over here and we get to change this again, like same thing we did before, let's go new title. And then from here, you could obviously do things like changing the sizing. You don't want to make it too big though, because then it won't show up on your slide. And then from here, you could also go in and obviously you can add in different things on your X and your Y axis. So just whatever you would normally do to a chart, you can actually do it here. And again, feel free to use your Microsoft Excel ribbons. That will now be showing up for you on PowerPoint until you exit this inline editing view. So right now, all we did is just change the chart title, so that's fine. And let's go ahead and click away from it. And you can see as soon as we do that, it gives us back the traditional PowerPoint view where we have all the old PowerPoint ribbon options. And now it just kind of looks like a static image again. So that is how you're actually able to edit the linked version of the Excel chart and how you're able to also edit the embedded version of the Excel chart.